Omoda is a forward-thinking automotive brand that focuses on a futuristic and fashionable aesthetic, primarily targeting a younger tech-savvy audience. It operates alongside its sister brand, JQ, with both established in 2023 in Wuhu, China. The brand's philosophy, Art in Motion, aims to blend functional design with a sense of dynamism and energy, creating vehicles that appear to be in motion even when stationary. The Omoda 7 SHS is an innovative plug-in hybrid SUV that sits in the lineup between the Omoda 5 and the Omoda 9. It is powered by the Super Hybrid system, which utilizes a fifth-generation 1.5 TGDI engine specifically designed for hybrid use, paired with a dedicated hybrid transmission and two electric motors. This setup delivers a total combined output of 279 horsepower or 205 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 365 newton meters. Individually, the high-efficiency combustion engine provides 143 horsepower, while the primary electric motor contributes 204 horsepower. Efficiency and range are core strength of this model. Equipped with an 18.4 kilowatt-hour battery, the Omoda 7 SHS offers an electric-only range of up to 92 kilometers, approximately 56 to 57 miles, making it highly effective for daily commutes. When combining the full fuel tank and the charged battery, the total range exceeds 1,200 kilometers, with an official fuel consumption of just 2.3 liters per 100 kilometers. For recharging, the vehicle supports 40 kilowatt DC charging, allowing the battery to go from 30% to 80% in just 20 minutes. The interior features a highly digitized smart cockpit centered around a unique 15.6-inch sliding touchscreen with 2.5K resolution. This screen can shift horizontally toward the passenger to enhance their interaction with the infotainment system. The system is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 processor, ensuring a fast startup time of roughly 4 seconds and smooth multitasking. To ensure a premium experience, the cabin includes gaming-inspired sports seats with multi-layer padding, an available 12-speaker Sony sound system, and enhanced acoustic insulation featuring double-layer glass and active noise cancellation. Safety is prioritized through a robust body structure composed of 72.1% high-strength steel. The vehicle also comes standard with 19 advanced driver assistance systems, including autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot detection. Reflecting the brand's commitment to quality, the Omoda 7 SHS is the first in its range to offer an extensive manufacturer warranty of 8 years or 160,000 kilometers.